Hi, this is Lainey. Thank you for visiting this YouTube channel. And actually, Lainey is one of my favorite nicknames. I will be sharing in this video a healthy habit um, that you will see after I explain what you can see right now here on what I draw. Well, first of all, I have to tell you that I'm not a doctor, and I'm only a simple human being who likes to share um, healthy things, healthy habits, um, and help others. Okay, let's start. Here, as you can see, I wrote the no word uh, for all these people who are sneezing or coughing, like those ones are sneezing or coughing in the air, kind of disgusting in the way that I think that germs can be spread faster and contagious somebody faster in a faster way. And here we have somebody sneezing or coughing on the hand, and this one is coughing on the arm. I know that a lot of people are doing this for a long time, and but for me it's a big now. And why? Um, I have one example. If, for example, I have some type of flu and I cough on my arm, and then I hug somebody, I will be contagious that person, no matter what. So there are a lot of ways that we can contagious others. So well, I actually have been so conscious about that. Even when I'm not sick, I try not to do those things. Um, and I'm very sure that my germs are not clean, right? I didn't have to say I'm very sure, but I'm pretty sure that my um, germs are not clean. So that's why no matter what, I don't do this, and no matter what, I try to not sneeze or cough and with my germs all around somebody else. Okay, so now I think you are asking yourself, so how does she cough? Well, or on what? Well, I have done this for a long time, and I really don't know if other people have done this already, but I came with this idea in coughing or sneezing into my clothes. So, this is for you. Cough or sneeze into your clothes. The way that I do this is grabbing whatever I'm wearing, and I pull, like for example, if I'm wearing a sweater, I pull the top part from the outside of my sweater and I pull it up and I sneeze or cough into my clothes. So basically, I'm coughing or sneezing onto my skin. And then, well, after a long day or after some long hours, when I get back home, I wash what I was using while I was coughing or sneezing, and most of the times is when I cough a lot, is when I have gotten sick, but I try to stay home and not go to work, because I also think that I can contagious others if I go to work, so I prevent all that. And well, this is the way that I do. This is for me a healthy habit. And also, I didn't mention that I know that it's also kind of disgusting to have your own germs on your chest, or sometimes even on your belly, because it's depending how you are coughing, and you are coughing fast, and maybe, yeah, you can reach your abs area. So I didn't mention that I also, after a long day, etc., or even being watching TV and having a strong cough, and after all this, the way I change my clothes, and I clean with a disinfectant wipey my chest or belly or abs. Anyway, well, abs, part of your abs, we know that those are different muscles in that area, on that area. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for visiting this channel, and bye for now. Thank you again. See you later.